Hey everyone, I'm Alex Valencia, Student Success Librarian here at NC State University, and today we're at the Hunt Library in the Game Lab. We're going to be playing some steampunk games with Paul Fife's Maymester class. So on the Xbox, we're going to be playing BioShock. On the Nintendo Switch, we're going to be playing 80 Days. And on the PlayStation 5, we're going to be playing Dishonored 2. All classic steampunk games, some older, some newer. And then we have some additional materials to go along with the games as well from our design library. Here we have a couple books to go along with the games. It just showcases some of the art that they use. This is for BioShock and this is for Dishonored. We also have another Nintendo Switch that's going to be playing this game, Code Realize. So all in total, we're using 2 Nintendo Switches, an Xbox X, and a PlayStation 5. All these games and all the controllers, accessories can be checked out here at the library, and you can have a good time, whether for class or just for leisure.